Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing an update video about where the rear shock should actually be mounted. Alright, so we're sitting here. We had some videos in the past that talked about how this is a new way of doing it that's not like the manual. Well, it turns out that is officially wrong. I was specifically told from the factory that this is how you should be doing it. However, someone pointed out that that's not true, and now I need to use these proper spacers and move this thing back over here. So hopefully, without too much modification, we'll be able to get that going, and let's give it a shot. All right, so we've now gotten the new spacers. So we took the shock out of here, we popped it back here, we put it in the back position, which is what they suggest. However, in the manual, this looks 50-50. They put it on each side, but this is what they suggested. And their new SEMA car looks exactly like that. Now, when I came over here, it looked like we have some interference here, but now I'm finding out that once I change these upper control arms, which don't work on this car as is for version 2, it will change the pinion angle and therefore this will relax. Supposedly that is correct. Not sure, I'll see it when I believe it, but I went ahead and put this exactly where it should be, and we're calling it a day for now. I just moved this way up so it's not interfering with the frame. So I wanted to apologize a little bit for some of the camera angles on this little update, because a lot of times I'm blocking the camera. And you know, there's two things that I'm thinking about when I, film this stuff and build the car. One is yes, what is a nice camera angle that will work out and not get too invasive in the way that I'm building the car, because obviously I just want to build the car. But the other is I've done this 3 times and I just want this over with. And you could tell by my camera angles of where I am mentally at that moment, because in this one it was like, I've freaking done this. I've done like 2 or 3 videos on this subject of stuff not adding up, and the manual doesn't add up, and oh, this is what they told me, and now someone else is saying no, that's not true, it needs to be this way. And then I called them up and they're like, yeah, we're not sure how you got that information. It's like, what are you talking about? I was on the phone with you and you sent out the shims to fit in this area. So I apologize for the camera footage, but it's a little difficult sometimes when you get frustrated and you just want to slam through and get this thing finished. And so when I'm redoing work, it gets a little crazy. But in any case, have a great day, and stay tuned for the next video.